to the show. Today we're going to be working on this automobile over here. It's a 1975, 77, 78 Mercedes SLC 450 V8 power, and a lot of lightweight reduction and stuff like that. The car needs a lot of work as it needs outer seals, inner seals, arches and the inner arches, and then in the boot area we have a little bit of work that is going through, so that will need to be repaired. And today we're starting with the easiest part. We're going to be doing this sort of repairs, the small ones. It needs the corners over here. It needs the rear window to be taken out as well. So let me show you. See that over there? That is a straight up hole. We have one hole over there as well, right there. And this one over here, this is magic. There's a little bit over there that will need to be sorted out. I'm gonna take a wire wheel over here and clean all that up. Same over there. Arches and seals on both sides. Yeah, and these ones, that's what I was talking about. These are gone, and I don't think you can buy that section only, so that is gonna need to be refabricated, something like that. A lot of rust, so let's get you up here. So this, we're gonna mark and cut over here, like that is gonna be changed, cleaned, and blah blah blah. So yeah, why always to me? Seems that I'm always doing rust. Great. Got this cut out now. What we're gonna do is take one of these. It's a 80 grit aluminium oxide, cheapest on the market. Take one of these and clean around where we're gonna be welding. And after we do this, we're gonna go and make the templates, or whatever you want to call them, the pieces of metal that we need to weld in there. So take the disc out, change the disc over, like this. Now we are ready. Right, made the first piece. It's a 90 degree. It's gonna sit over here, and that is the first piece that we're gonna do to the car. And then around it, we're gonna start tidying up stuff. So I'm gonna burn that in. I'm gonna do a butt weld, so metal over metal, not overlapped. So I'm gonna burn this in, then I'm gonna start doing the bottom piece. This has a side channel, and I have a 3D printed tool for this one, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So let's get this done, and then we can continue with the rest. By the way, pro tip, always pick the rustiest piece of metal you can find in the yard. Works better, so it blends in with the rest of the car. On to the next one. So over here I'm gonna need to make like a channel, like that sort of a shape. So yeah, I have marked it so it continues with the rest of the other stuff, and we're gonna stick it in there and try and make it possible. I'm gonna try to follow the line. Make the groove. say that this, maybe a little bit more, it's gonna be good. And it's roughly about where I wanted it. Perfect. Let's go and weld that in. Well, how good is that? Brilliant. Right, let's get it welded. Bring the eggs and the bacons, there's a small fire. Woo! Lovely. Now we just need to, that goes up, these go on the side, then we're gonna start building this channel over here. So I'll finish most of these up, and I'll see you again. So that's it. This side is done. Whew. We have welded the corner. I'm just gonna clean it with the angle grinder and 80 grit again. Just clean the welds up, put some seam sealer, rust converter, and rust primer. So by the time we finish the rest of the welding, this is not gonna be rusty again. So you can see we have now a good pocket where it was before. It was just a massive hole. Next thing we're gonna tackle is that area over here. Should be quite easy, just like then bring it and then and over there, and that should be all of it in this corner. Then it's gonna be the arches and seals and blah blah blah, but that's all I have time for today. It's been a full-on day, 4 hours, 5 hours maybe, welding. It is what it is. Somebody gotta do it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below if you liked it. No, do you have something to suggest? If you do, please do so. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon.